Oh my God, there is a baby. There is a baby Stork in there. Oh, there are two babies. This is the cutest thing ever. Oh my God. Oh my God, both parents are with the babies. Oh my dear God. Oh, they're building a little house. Huh. Oh, nice. Oh, so cute, so cute. And so I'm basically running two channels. I know. It's quite intriguing. I've come across so many different birds. Now look at this tree. It's a territory of Stork, Marabou Stork birds. And I have a fascination for them, so I figured why not? You know, instead of mixing them up with my old channel, with the other channel, why don't I give them their own channel, you know? Because I love the experience of birds. I see so many every day. I take pictures, I shoot, but somehow it's just not enough. I need more birds. These are huge stalks. They're literally on the tree. And all of them live up there. Look at that one. Hey, what you doing? Such huge buds. Another. Oh, there is a baby in there, I think. I think. Oh, nice. Distracting me. That's not fair. Oh wow. What's he doing? I hate this angle. They're rich.
Kanzi jao eh? First get to them. It's fine, you here shooting your videos, no?
Nah, we're going together. Oh dear Lord. Traveling companions. They fly together and they sleep together. Fabulous.